Hello friends, in this video I showed you if you accidentally change your Samsung phone setting and then you unsure how to set back that setting friends. So this video for you. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open your phone setting and you see here have option general management. Click here and scroll down and here have option reset. Click here. So here have friends three options: reset all setting, reset network setting, reset accessibility. You see here upset reset all setting. Click here and click here reset setting. And here friends, you writing your phone lock password and click to confirm. Click here reset. So choose this option friends if you by mistake change your Samsung phone any settings and you unsure how to set back that setting. Just simply friends reset your phone setting. Samsung phone resetting all setting option very useful because when you click this option your phone setting only change and your any picture, video or any file not delete. So if any setting you forgot how to set back, just use this option. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.